In this design automation video, we are going to explore how we can improve our current workflows when working with data in AutoCAD Electrical and Inventor Professional, specifically around bill of material management. Within businesses, we tend to work in silos within our departments, and our design intent is sometimes not transferred to other departments, and invariably this leads to issues further down the design process, especially when we don't know what our final product is going to look like. The mechanical users are tasked with schematic interpretation, wire termination, creating cable and wire layouts, generating cable and wire lengths, and updating design changes from the electrical schematics. This can all be very confusing and requires constant communication between electrical and mechanical departments to ensure all design changes are referenced within the mechanical model and are physically tangible to do. Introducing design automation into our process can provide many benefits, primarily increasing quality, reduce errors, improve productivity, enable innovation, and digital communications between departments. How can we help address these problems and help maximize your potential? One solution could be to use the export bill of materials from AutoCAD Electrical and import that data into the Inventor cable and harness assembly. From here, we can assign an electrical part, choose from an existing electrical part, or insert from a common catalog database location between AutoCAD Electrical and Inventor Professional. But what happens when the design changes occur in the schematic drawings? How are these referenced back into our Inventor Professional model? The solution would be to set up an electromechanical link to synchronize project data between AutoCAD Electrical and Inventor Cable and Harness to streamline this process. This component synchronization and automatic wire connections ensure all design changes are referenced in our Inventor data. Here we show an example of the electromechanical link setup. We're first going to start with setting up the link through AutoCAD Electrical. After creating that link inside AutoCAD Electrical, we're then going to link this through into Inventor. This link enables us to control our project data between both applications. And you can see here, we are looking at our Inventor component references showing our component information. We're then going to assign those components in Inventor to our electrical data. Once we've assigned the components, we can then automatically generate our wire connections between those components. We can then route our wires via the cable and harness environment, and this data is synchronized between both applications. Introducing design automation into your business focused on digital communication can equal increased efficiency, reduced errors, increased productivity. So get in touch today to see how we can help you achieve more and enable innovation.